Hey, what's up everybody? This is Lee from Adventure FPV and we are out here in beautiful Colorado doing some camping with the family and some friends. And I'm going to take out my first quad that I ever purchased. This is the iFlight Chimera 4 and going to do it with the Insta360 Go 2. It's been a while since I've flown this quad, but I know I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to get out there, do some mountain cruising packs, and we're going to use this lithium ion pack. There will be a link in the description if you're interested, but here we go. Check it out. So really the point of today's video is just to talk a little bit about gear and using what you have. You don't always have to have the latest and greatest gear. This was the first quad I actually purchased about 15 months ago, my first FPV drone. It taught me so much. I learned on this. It was great for cruising. I also bought a Cinewhoop at the same time. So I had two kind of micro beginner drones or small beginner drones, and they taught me everything I needed to know, and I started to upgrade and get bigger drones and better cameras. But this was really a launching point for me to get me started. I started doing cruising, cinematic stuff, and of course, you know, you kind of want to grow and do bigger and better things, so you buy bigger and better gear. But yeah, I really enjoyed my time flying this drone, so I wanted to take it out and just kind of remember the times that I had with it, and it just felt so familiar, which was really cool. Now, I was also flying with the Insta360 Go 2, which is not a 4K camera. It is 2.7K, so the quality is not quite as good as a GoPro, but man, you can really get some good stuff out of it if you put a little bit of time into color grading and put a little bit of extra attention into the video. You can make some really great content with it, especially with the built-in stabilization. My channel mostly focuses on cinematic FPV, so you know, this camera is not obviously the most cinematic, but you can really make it look good. And I sometimes just enjoy going with a light setup. You don't have a big quad, you don't have all these extra batteries, it's just a tiny little quad, tiny little camera, and it really gets the job done. So I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. You don't always have to have the latest and greatest, of course, to go out there and have fun. I think this quad now is about 2 years old. I've had it for about 15 months or so, and it still does an amazing job. It was actually quite breezy on this day, and it was cutting through the wind pretty good. You can see a little bit of bobbles here and there, but overall it held its own. And even if you weren't filming with a external camera and you were just having fun, you're using the DVR, just cruising for fun, this is a great little quad to have. It's great for exploring, to kind of figure out where you want to go. The flight time's incredible on it, especially when you're using a Li-ion battery. You can get up to like 12 minutes on it, which is incredible. This area is also absolutely amazing. I came up here to do a little bit of camping with the family. We were riding the Razor, doing a bit of flying. We were fishing. If you're interested in seeing the full vlog of our camping trip, I'll put a link up here where you can check that out as well. I think this drone is going for like $225 right now if you can find it, new, and I'm sure you can get it like dirt cheap on Marketplace. And this is for a digital version. I only fly digital, I don't fly analog. So, you know, for around the $200 mark, this is really a great value. I know there's lots of other drones out there too, but this happens to be the one that I have in the arsenal. So it's good to have for cruising and scouting and things like that. Really enjoyable. Like I said, I know the video quality is not absolutely amazing, but it was still lots of fun, and I thought it was worth a share. So I'm going to leave you guys with that and hope you enjoy this flight footage.